You can't discharge that firearm while it's still in the holster. But I will do it slowly because I'm polite.
Because I'm polite.
I should get a call if somebody's coming.
Well, we're due thought you might need some backup. So what's your preferred?
He must have been saying having his ass since he was a kid.
Yeah, babe. But how have they never been in here at the same time?
Man, I have no fucking clue.
You mean the other family?
Oh, they come through the door?
I'm saying, how has his...
You're right. I mean, his daddy...
They were just telling jokes last night in the alternative universe about how he brought home creatures from other doors.
Oh. That was what they were talking about? I can't remember that. And yeah, you're right. Yeah, especially if he used to go through there. I mean, he used to be in there as a kid all the time. Oh, that's the happy one right there. In this world.
Oh, Chris, turn that off. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Stop.
What are the chances?
It's any gift that you give to someone in their house. It warms the house.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's just for people moving into a new place. That guy,
Vega.
Vega, he's right.
No, God. Fuck. Hang in there, titties. You're gonna be okay.
Anyway, that bar, filled with not great people. It's not a great spot. You know, I figured if somebody was looking for a fight, it'd be a real good place to fight.
You have to walk through there and go through there and call it. Yeah. And now he roaming.
Now he's what?
Roaming.
Oh, roaming.
And drunk as hell. There only one door in there?
No, there's multiple, babe. We saw the alien go through one door, too.
I mean, it just seemed like it's just one door in there.
Yeah, Keith, you find anything? No one knows where he is. You call that Karen girl the one he's... Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to think anywhere else he could be. What's the blood in the library from? You don't think it's his pills again, do you?
It's about to get messy.
That I had two.
Pokemon is... Pokemon is plural, not Pokemon.
Well, I'm sorry. Pokemon's grammar is not my bag, man.
Do what I think he about to do with hardcore over there. That's not gonna be cool, man. So how are these two worlds gonna collide and come together and find out what Peacemaker did to his own self? That's what I'll have to Stay tuned to see what it is, and I'm here for it. So, love the episode. Can't wait to see another one.
Yeah, I'm really liking the pacing of this season. I think like it is they fully evaluated what really worked for season 1, which was a lot, and I feel like they're capitalizing on that both in the comedic side but also the character development, because I think the character development took a long time to really get going in season 1, and the fact that we have 2 episodes already that's been a feature, I think that's really great. I love the introduction of Flurry as a character. He's fantastic. Like, top tier, great first introduction. He's hilarious. I genuinely thought the bird blindness was a joke. I kept waiting for him to be like, fuck you, but when Eagly started killing them all and he like couldn't see them, I'm just like, no.
Damn,
They're super committed to this. This is a real thing. So, love the introduction to his character. I loved seeing the whole team back together again. That was really sweet, too. I really, really love the fact that they are staying connected, because you weren't really clear with episode 1, like, if there's bad blood. But obviously, they are staying connected. They all got together today, which I thought was great, too. I also have to say, Adrian's character is one of my favorite characters on the series, too. He's consistently so good and so in the pocket with his personality. His jealousy and wanting to be Chris's best friend is, like, everything to me. I love it so much, and I love that he's so consistently right there. It is hilarious to me. I genuinely don't know, though, what the conflict this season is. Like, it could be, you know, Flair coming after Chris because of, you know, but it's been 8 months. He's known about it for 8 months. He's just been surveilling him. It could be the interdimensional thing, but, like, literally, we've only opened 2 doors. We've only seen 2 doors. The door to the alternate universe where Chris's family is and that alien guy. So how does this play into... Why aren't we exploring any other doors? And that's fine if we don't, but I genuinely don't know, like, where's the conflict yet? Like, that hasn't been established, and maybe you're right, babe. Maybe, like, they figure out that Chris killed their version of Chris, and then they end up wanting to, like, kill his people. But it feels like there should be something grander than that when we have this interdimensional thingamajig.
Yeah.
So I'm very curious to see what is going to be the glue, I guess, that ties the team back together again, because everyone's very, very separated. There's no common goal right now, and I'm just curious to see how that plays out. But very, very funny episode. Again, I really like the pacing of this season, and I appreciate the fact that they are focusing on developing our characters a little bit more too, while introducing some standout characters like Flurry, because I like that guy a lot. So good episode. Looking forward to the next one.
All right, well, look, thank you guys again for watching another Real Talk reaction for Peacemaker Season 2, Episode number 2. And until next time.